a very huge potential, beginning with what they have and what they receive. As a topasako focus now on what they receive.
Yes.
Obisio Mojumbengo nyorere 67 million every 167 million every year. Obisio Mochumbe Borabu constituency gets about 150 to 167 million every year. That is money eranya go transform communities and livelihoods chabantu. Secondly, nkonyora to chipesho maintain chipara kurwa sebangwe road maintenance levy. Ekero omwende pigipigi achirali ase petrol station no enayo bwate gari no enaye kero kuline matatu ile kerego bekerwa maguta ase petrol station ebese libagwakana ebango nero ekunachwa ya road maintenance yoko maintain chipara cheitu chinyaye ko bachingia. So nkonyora tore like last year ntwanyora 19 million yoko maintain chipara. Nkonyora tore projects chia Kenya Rural Roads Authority echiokwaga cha chipara kunywa to projects chia mache buna Lake Basin Development Authority nkonyora tore nande bone county ya Nyamira nkonyorere chibesa around 6 billion, whereby Borabweramo is one of the 4 sub-counties inside Nyamira County chiko wageru chibesa for development through the county government. So I can say as Obisio Mochumbe, which is the office I'm interested in, Ocha Kerabuno Mochumba Chole Tupaka Boniga, Omochumbo Nyare Konyora, around 700 million Chirichigo to Mukura se national government cha NGCDF directly. Echiba Siria Nyari Konyora Kuru national government, Ichoko Kolera Bantamagenda, 700 million. On top of that, of course, in Echichinda Nanyara Convention. So in a year, there's money coming from all sectors of government. Now, Toru ase serikali, tucha se private sector.